This is actually my dog and I here. Yeah, come up. Come up. Yeah, come up. And you come up, take. Okay. Come back here. Come and take. Who is this? This must be the angel that loves food. This must be the same angel that loves food. The same angel that loves food very well. And the same Oge, the three of them, they love food very well. The three of you that love food very well. That must be the three of you. My three pro dogs. So, are you waiting for more? Are you waiting for more? I'm waiting for more. My three dogs love food very well. So when it comes to food, they'll be ready for the video. They're sniffing the camera. When it comes to food, they'll be ready. Who is that patient one? There's one patient one here. Look at him. Look at him. Very patient. Patient dog is the fattest bone. Look at him. Very patient. You will be my strength when I am weak. Oh yeah, come and sit down here, Claire. Claire, climb here. No. But sometimes they like to eat vegetables. Come back here. Come here. Come and sit down. Claire, come. Come here. Good boy. Oh yeah, take. Come. Be a good boy. Come back here. Is it because... Is it not because of food that you are running a tasketa? Because of food you are running a tasketa. Bless me. Oh. That one is running a tasketa because they are cooking. Claire is becoming the patient dog. Claire? You are becoming the patient dog. Oh, yeah. Come and climb it. Claire, come. Good boy, climb here. Good boy. What? Is anything paining you that you don't want me to touch? Oh, yeah, go away. Go away. Since you don't... Sorry. Paulina, you want to kill me with your spicy pepper. They think I'm actually eating it. Is it dog kibbles? Does it look like dog kibbles? Actually, it's a human. It's a human mini meat, not dog kibbles. It's a human mini meat. Though it looks like dog kibbles, I don't think it's dog kibbles. I need that. Ah, no. Don't expect me to eat that. Ah. Claire. Claire, where are you? The way you are set, waiting for it. He is not sitting down comfortably. Yeah, let's do a selfie together. Let's do a selfie together. Yeah? Come on, let's do a selfie. Ah, my little. Have this. So that was this afternoon with my dogs. They're actually waiting for their snacks, and that was a snack I gave them, and that's what they like. They like having snacks. So just trying to show how these dogs react to snacks. Here, you can see Oge here still waiting. Claire Crystal still waiting. Where is Angel? Still waiting for their snacks. So if you have a dog, you shouldn't just give them food. You should also give them snacks. God dogs like snacks. They call it, like my dogs understand it to be treats. Still waiting for. Where is Angel? Angel, come. Where's my Angel? That's my Angel coming. They understand it to be treats. Angel, come here. I still have some snacks here. See it. And they like treats especially.